As a FPV drone has a limited warhead, the result of the hit usually isn't that explosive from the beginning when hitting a tank, as the armor should take most if not all of the hit. But as a drone can hit a much less well protected section of the tank, the shape-charged warhead can penetrate into the tank, causing the fuel or ammunition to erupt in a fireball. As seen here with a Russian T-80BVM with a cope cage, as a Ukrainian FPV drone came and hit it from the back section, causing a large fireball followed by an internal fire, trading a cheap drone against a multi-million-dollar tank, burning up the tank, turning it into scrap metal, taking out another of Russia's tanks, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.